In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted CapCut projects. Losing a project you've worked hard on can be incredibly frustrating, but luckily, CapCut has a way to recover deleted projects quickly and easily. Whether you accidentally deleted your work or simply can't find it, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire recovery process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your project restored and ready to continue editing. And if you're new to CapCut, you can use the link in the description to create an account and get started. Now let's dive right in. To begin, open the CapCut app on your computer or mobile device. This is essential because accessing the app is the first step in recovering your deleted project. If you're not already logged in, make sure to sign into the same account you originally used to create the project. Projects are tied to the account they were created under, so using a different account won't help you locate the file. Once you're logged in, give the app a moment to fully load. Keep in mind that if you've saved a lot of projects, it might take a little longer for everything to appear. Be patient and let the app complete its loading process before proceeding. Next, locate your user ID. This can be found at the lower part of the screen. Once you see it, click on it to open up a menu of options. From this menu, you'll need to select the trash option. Think of this as CapCut's version of a recycling bin. It temporarily holds any projects you've deleted, giving you the chance to restore them before they're permanently removed. Once you're in the trash section, scroll through the list of deleted projects to find the one you want to recover. If you have several items listed, take a moment to double-check that you're selecting the correct project. It's easy to mistake one file for another, so pay close attention to the details. When you've found the project you're looking for, you'll notice a set of 3 dots next to it. Depending on the device you're using, you'll either want to click on these 3 dots or, if you're on a computer, right-click on the project to bring up additional options. From the menu that appears, choose the Restore option. This is the action that moves your deleted project back into your main workspace, so you can access it again. Now that the project has been restored, open it to ensure that all of your edits and media files are intact. In most cases, CapCut does an excellent job of preserving your progress, but it's always a good idea to double-check just to be safe. Finally, to avoid any future mishaps, create a backup of the recovered project. This is an important step to ensure your work is safely stored and protected from accidental deletion down the line. Having a backup means you won't have to go through this recovery process again if something happens in the future. And there you have it. Recovering a deleted project in CapCut is simple and straightforward when you follow these steps. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.